Hello, this is Lauren Scabby with Youth Services, and today we will be learning how to make delicious strawberry Jello cake. For our first ingredient, we will be using Betty Crocker's Super Moist White Cake. Before you start, set your oven to 350 degrees. First, you'll need vegetable oil and a measuring cup. Pour a half a cup of oil in the measuring cup. You will also need 1 cup of water and 3 egg whites. You will need a good bowl to mix your ingredients. Once you have everything assembled, pour your cake mix in the bowl. Add your 1 cup of water to the mixture, followed by the half a cup of vegetable oil. Next, we will need 3 egg whites. Make sure the yolk is not included, only the egg whites. Discard the egg yolk. Do this 2 more times. Pour the egg whites into the mixture. Mix your ingredients by using a whisk. Next, we will grease the baking pan. We will be using Crisco shortening. Grease the bottom of the pan as well as the sides. Next, lightly flour the pan. Sift the flour back and forth until the sides and bottom are covered. Pour the cake mix into the pan. Place the pan in the oven for 30 minutes. Next, you will need a rubber spatula. Use the end of your spatula and poke holes in the cake. Now it's time to mix the Jello. Follow the directions on the Jello box. Measure 1 cup of water and pour it in the pot. Place the pot on the stove and bring the water to a boil. Next, pour the boiling water in a measuring cup. Add your 3 ounces of Jello into the boiling water. Stir until the Jello has dissolved in the water. Add 1 cup of cold water to your Jello mixture. Next, pour the Jello mixture into the holes of the cake. Cover the cake with aluminum foil and place in the fridge for 2 hours. Time to cut the strawberries. Be careful when using sharp objects and make sure an adult is always present. Instead of using frosting, we'll use Cool Whip.